Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Lena. Okay guys, today is like Wednesday, and I couldn't do anything because I was so tired somehow. I slept all day and I wanted to go somewhere, but I was so tired. And now I'm going to grab a dinner with my friend, and from next week it's going to be my last week of this semester. I'm so happy and hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, so it's like 4 a.m. in the morning. I was hanging out with my friends. Today is the last day before lockdown, which is sad. So it's like half capacity, like all the bars cannot serve alcohol from like 10 p.m. after 10 p.m. It's really sad. And then obviously it's like no one. I am so sober. I didn't even drink. I had a great night. Hope you guys have a great night too. I am on my way to have lunch with my friend. Probably gonna go pie, of course, like Thai restaurant again. So I'll see you guys soon up there. No? Yes, looks super interesting. Wow. Go like this summer. Oh my god.
It's a race.
Wow. Crazy. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. And I'm sorry about how I look right now. It's snowing like crazy. Gosh. Oh my god guys, I am on my way to gym. I am dying. It's insane. Look. Oh my god. I made it, guys.
Oh yeah.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
Rock space for lockdown. Guys, it's going to be lockdown again from Wednesday. So I went to the restaurant and it's so freezing. It's like minus 12 right now, like 14. It's so freezing out. So like, I couldn't. Here we go. And I finally broke my nails. I'll see you guys soon. Hopefully we'll survive. Oh wow, so pretty. Our last night to restaurant.
In 3 kilometers, take exit 153 through Lakeshore Boulevard.
So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling, bitch, I'm humbling. Keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing, you've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
This is insane. Look at this car. Oh my god, it's like 30 centimeter. Oh my god. Wow, it's like more than 60 centimeters. So pretty.